All right, so there's a lot more that goes into making a menu than just throwing meal ideas on a few pages or a new page. The head chef at Epican Tapas Lounge is an expert at that, and he's here with some tips. And I hope that him just don't come to talk because we want to see him do some stuff. Brian, what on?
There, man.
Brian Sterling, I did not know about Epican Tapas. Tell me about that.
All right, Epican Tapas is at 67 Constant Spring Road.
Which is
Right,
marketplace?
yeah, where marketplaces.
Yeah?
Right, and grand opening is Wednesday coming, right, at 5 p.m. Right, if you want more information, you can go on our Instagram page at Epican Tapas.
And then is what? Breakfast, lunch, dinner? You will
No,
do
it's only dinner right now.
only dinner?
But we're going to incorporate breakfast and lunch.
So you open like evening time?
Evening,
5,
right.
6 o'clock? So
5 to 10 o'clock.
5 to 10. Beautiful. Before you start making anything, and I want Europe and make things,
All right, no
just
problem.
explain what you brought. What's this?
Okay, this is our quinoa salad.
Yeah?
Right.
What's in there?
So it have quinoa.
Yeah?
Right. It has roasted corn.
Yeah?
It has some bell peppers.
Bell peppers.
Right.
which would be
Roasted bell peppers.
Like my pepper. Them.
Yeah, like your
All right.
peppers.
This fella here.
This is our famous avocado roll with our sweet cilantro sauce.
Yeah? What is this?
Okay,
this
this
just
is
look interesting.
this is where the experience comes about, right?
Show up for me. More experience. Yeah.
So now when you come to Epican Tapas, right?
Yeah.
We heat this rock right here.
you heat the stone.
Yeah, we heat the
itself.
stone,
Yeah?
right? And it comes out to you flaming hot.
Yeah.
And you can cook your meat how you want. Like,
this
so
is-
if you want medium rare, well done, medium, anyhow you want it, you can do it yourself.
So, me sure if me just take up a stone outside and light it, it's not going to flame.
No.
So, how you get it
It's
to
a
flame?
specific stone that we brought in. So you have to put it on the flame, make it heat for like 3 hours.
Just this stone
Just
alone
that
or
stone
all
only.
those stones?
Just
here?
that stone only. This is
You
nicely.
can give me that?
Yeah, man, I can give it to you.
You
Man.
can give me this one?
Yeah, man.
And we can just light it and light
Yeah,
it?
man. Perfect.
Lie? we don't trust you. You either lie, say you're not going to give me, or you lie, say it no. So if I just, let me a lighter, man.
It's not gonna light like that. You have to put it on the fire.
Oh.
You understand? Yeah.
So this is the same thing as that?
Yes, so this is our hot rock. So we have two hot,
Hot
rocks.
rock.
So we call this is a rock, right?
Yeah.
So this is called the hot rock beef. Right?
Okay.
So what we have here is garlic ponzu. Right? We
Garlic
have
ponzu.
garlic ponzu sauce, right? And we have ponzu aioli with a cilantro and chili.
You just
With
come
the
to
rock
show
salt.
off. Just come to show off this man. This
Right here is our steak taco.
steak taco.
Filet steak taco.
And this is just regular shrimp.
And this is our pepper shrimp.
All right.
Salt and pepper
And what
shrimp.
what do you have in these
Okay,
bowls?
right here now I'm going to make for you lobster taco with pineapple salsa.
Please. Vamonos. What that?
This is avocado cream.
Yeah.
So
See where you're going with that now. Yeah.
avocado cream.
Yeah. Hey. Then,
Then your lobster.
so this is breakfast?
No.
This is
This is the tapas part of it. So it's appetizer.
Oh, it's appetizer.
Right.
Well, it's breakfast for me. Fantastic. So you say the opening
The opening is Wednesday.
It's what? It's a
Right.
launch or it's open to the public?
We have,
Invi-
it's open to the public
invitation
on
only?
Wednesday. We have the launch Tuesday coming, right? Which is invitation only,
Yeah.
right? Open at 5 p.m. to 10 p.m.
What you say? The Wednesday thing is invitation only?
Wednesday thing is opening, grand opening.
All right. For this
Putting
now?
my pineapple salsa.
Yeah?
You know, because it's Jamaican, you want to make it very
Nice
unique.
and pretty. All right, talk to me now because I said at the top about the menu now. So how you sort out your menu?
Okay.
How you figure that?
First thing, when developing a menu, right, you have to know the concept, right?
What do you mean the concept?
The concept
of what?
meaning what do you want to do? You
Who
understand?
want to cook food?
Yeah, you want to cook food, yes, but
Yeah?
you want to make sure that you know your target audience. That's the next one.
Yeah, people
Right?
eat.
Yeah, people who eat. Really?
Yeah.
No. What about the age group that
Them
you're looking
don't every
for?
age go to a restaurant?
No. How can you carry a baby to a restaurant?
You know, we car seat?
Oh, okay. That's good. Then we'll serve them perfectly.
No, but seriously. So you need to know who you're catering to.
Right, you
That
know
has,
who you need to
That has anything to do with where the restaurant
Yes,
is.
it is the location, is very, very
All right, so
important too.
Epican Tapas is in Halfway Tree.
Right.
Kinda.
Right.
So who you cater to?
So we cater to everybody, basically.
I mean, you just say a while ago, you say you can't cater to everybody. Come to them, man. So who you cater? Everybody.
So we cater to all ages,
Yeah.
all sizes, right? Mostly middle class to upper class, lower class too. We have a diverse menu, right? So I think it's for everyone.
So you are the person who puts the menu together?
So I am the head chef, right? The executive chef put it together, me and him together, and then we execute
So
it.
what you think about? Say, right, you're just doing dinner now. So what are the thoughts now?
So the thought is to,
Because you're really not certain who will come to the restaurant just yet. Because
of course we know
You know.
who's going to come to the restaurant, right?
All right,
Upper class people and middle class.
So what is the thought now? What you going to have for dinner?
So for dinner, so tapas really is like small plates and large plates together, right? So for dinner, if you want a large plate, right? Say you're a small eater, you will maybe take the shrimp and full your belly and that's it, right? But if you want large plates, we have large plates too, right? So we have like our charcoal, we have a charcoal grill, right? That we use to make fish on it,
Yeah.
right? So we have a charcoal grilled fish, right? We have a 14-ounce New York steak. Right, we
How
have a
big is
filet.
14 ounce, by the way?
14 ounces maybe like this.
Yeah.
Right? Nice
These
size.
days, everybody going vegan and stuff.
Vegan.
So you cater to those people?
Yeah,
right?
man, I cater to those people. This is the perfect dish for a vegan, right? This is the avocado roll with a cilantro, sweet cilantro sauce, and it's very, very
Brian,
perfect.
that is not a dish.
This is a dish. I swear to you, if you eat that right now, you're belly full.
You don't know me, you know. You just dear me a while ago.
Of
So
course.
So if I eat
All of that.
All of that? Oh. I'm going to take it up on that. Okay, so that's the first thing you do is location. And then you
First thing you do is your concept,
your
right?
concept.
And then your target market, right? And then you find out where you're going to get the ingredients from.
Yeah.
Basically, the availability of the ingredients, right? And then you want to create the experience. When from the person walks to the door, that's where the experience
Epican
starts.
is the herbals, right?
Epican is the herbals, right?
Right.
But the tapas lounge is right beside it.
They don't be herb people out.
No, it doesn't matter. We cater for everybody, remember?
I know, but I'm thinking that because they're herbals, you should have cater for pure people who smoke or?
No.
No?
We cater for everybody.
Okay, all right. So this opens on Wednesday,
Wednesday at 5 p.m.
and that's free to the public.
Yes, it is.
Come in, come eat your food.
Yes, it is.
And then what you said was invitation only.
That's the launch, Tuesday.
Tomorrow?
Yes, tomorrow.
So you don't want nobody come and launch. He's the head chef at Epican Tapas Lounge, which is in Marketplace, which is where fiction was.
Right.
Right. See, I know these things. Go out and ask for Brian, who must call me uncle. Just go and ask him, he's a big man. I'm really not a big man, to be honest. My mother told them, I like it. You know the lighter? Light it, Mr.
Me light it for you when
Then light. Nobody knows
no,
the
no,
lighter.
lighter.
Can I chef you be? I light it and I make me see it does. And the whole way I have to run. Come. I'll go for a break. We'll soon come back. Still have a little more left.